Today we are going to learn how to use Canon 200D camera. So first of all, attach the lens. There is a white dot given on the camera body and the lens. You have to align these white dots and turn the lens in clockwise direction and it will be locked. You will hear a lock sound while doing it. After attaching the lens, you have to insert battery and SD card. So there is a button given over here. Unlock this button and insert the battery. Make sure battery is properly aligned. Now insert the SD card over here. If you want to remove the SD card, you have to press it again and it will be ejected. Now we are ready to use this camera. Flip this screen. There is a button given over here. Use this button to start the camera. Slide it to the on side and the camera will be started. Press this red dot button to switch between a live view screen, and now you are able to see the live view screen. There is a knob given over here. We will suggest you to keep it at A+, which means automatic mode. This camera is touchscreen, so select OK. If you want to take photo with the camera, there is a capture button given over here. Just press this button semi-half and camera will do the focus. When it will turn green, press the button completely and the photo will be captured. You can check the photo by going to the gallery mode by pressing this button. Press this button again to go to the live view screen. If you want to take video with the camera, use the same button that you have used to turn on the camera. Just slide it to the video icon and now camera will be ready to take video. Press this red dot button once and the camera will start taking video. Press it again to stop the video. You can check the capture video by going to the gallery mode, pressing this button. You can play the video within the camera. While using this camera, make sure that there is a button given on the lens. Make sure that this button is turned to AF, which means autofocus if you are a beginner. You can turn off the camera using the same button. Just slide it to the off side and the camera will be turned off. So this is all about the Canon 200D camera.